If you're over 60 and that stubborn belly fat just won't go away no matter what you do, listen carefully. Because there are 5 simple exercises that can help melt it off in as little as 30 days. You don't need fancy machines, hours at the gym, or painful crunches that hurt your back. You just need consistency, good form, and these 5 moves that actually work for seniors. The first one is standing marches. It may look easy, but it's a powerhouse. When you lift your knees toward your chest, your abs tighten, your hips loosen, and your circulation improves. Start with 30 seconds, then rest. Do it again, and you'll feel your core heating up. The beauty? No floor required, no pressure on your joints. It's one of the safest ways to burn fat and build balance at the same time. After a week, you'll notice you walk taller and move lighter. The second move is seated twists. Sit on a sturdy chair, keep your spine tall, and slowly twist your upper body side to side. You're not just moving your torso, you're waking up those deep belly muscles that protect your spine. Do 20 twists per side. Feel that gentle squeeze? That's your waistline tightening from the inside out. The slower you go, the more it burns, and the more it works. The third exercise is the wall push-up. It's a senior-friendly version of the classic push-up, and it targets your chest, arms, shoulders, and even your core. Stand a few feet from a wall, place your palms flat, and lower your chest in slowly. Then push back out, engaging your abs each time. Just 10 to 15 reps can tone your upper body and strengthen the muscles that keep your posture upright. A strong posture means your belly has less room to sag forward. So yes, it helps flatten your stomach too. Now the fourth one, this is where real fat burning happens. Chair squats. Every time you sit and stand, your legs, glutes, and abs fire together. This builds powerful calorie-burning muscles that keep your metabolism high, even when you're resting. Sit down slowly, then stand up without using your hands if you can. Do this 10 times. And the fifth one might surprise you. Slow walking with core focus. Walk at your normal pace, but this time, slightly tighten your stomach as if you're zipping up a pair of jeans. Keep breathing normally and stay relaxed. This trains your body to keep your core engaged all day long. When your core is active, it burns more calories, improves digestion, and keeps your belly flatter. Try it for 10 minutes a day, and within 30 days, you'll feel stronger, lighter, and more confident in your movements. And if you combine these exercises with proper hydration and a light protein snack, like Greek yogurt or eggs, right after your session, you'll multiply your fat-burning power. Your muscles repair faster, your energy stays steady, and your belly fat starts to melt slowly but surely.